Hello, friends, and hello, fellow vintage and jewelry lovers. Welcome to the final Highway 80 haul live sale preview video. I cannot believe we're on, I think it's the 9th episode. This is just crazy. It really was the gift that keeps on giving. There are some jewelry pieces that I purchased online to resell. But some of these pieces I did pick up at the highway sale too. So honestly, I can't remember, where each piece came from at this point. So I will show you each piece. I do want to remind you guys, I have a sale with Angela. Dear Angela's Vintage tomorrow. It's been a minute since we had a sale together, so I am beyond excited. That sale's at noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central, and 9 a.m. Pacific. All right, I'm going to try to do this fast because there's a lot going on here. I might have to move some things out of the way. Rocky came in here. So, yeah, we have 5 dogs. They're all rescue, and they can get loud, so apologies in advance. Oh, he's going for a banana. Hang on. There may be a couple of things that I'm keeping in this haul. There's not a lot, I promise. There's 1 owl. Maybe 2. I don't know. So if you don't already know, I collect owls. I have a lot of them, especially vintage ones. So, for instance, I did already have this one. This is a great one. I don't have that. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And we'll start over here. These owls are incredible. So my black light's upstairs, but that will glow. And I don't have this one in my collection, I don't think. But look at the heart on the belly. It's just so cute. This one will be for sale. I do have one of these. I have this. I'm pretty sure I have this angry owl here. So these are all ceramic. I'm sure you can probably tell that. Look at that face. Anger. But they're incredible. I love them. I love the look of vintage owls. I just love the kitschiness of it all. Speaking of kitsch, back here, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I'm not going to move these out of the way right now, but look at this cow. Look at her mouth. It's a heart. So this is like a towel rack. It's probably really hard to see because it's kind of nestled back there, but this one behind is you can hang your paper towels on it or your kitchen towels. Super cute. I added these hanging. I got these, and I did get them at the highway sale. I don't know if anybody's interested, but these are horns and they match the cow. Whoops, sorry. They're super cute. These can be really expensive at Ren fairs and places like that. So I went ahead and got those. This is amazing. This is a Chinese pagoda, and it's got these beautiful depictions of geisha there, but of course the best part is the dragons. Let me zoom back out. Is this not amazing? So it's plastic, but it's cool. I looked this up because I didn't know if something was missing, and I have a feeling there might be, but I didn't see any pictures of this particular pagoda with like a finial there. So I don't know. And back here, oh my gosh, y'all, she is so cute. Look at this unicorn. And look at this little bird. It's probably a duck. It's a duck. It's super cute. So it has glitter wings and a glitter horn. And this is Meadowland Dreams. And I think this, the Hamilton collection from 1998. Super, super cute. Come on, camera. Oh, I just thought that was adorable. I had to pick her up. Now this, so a lot of us love our elephants. This is just like a faux succulent. But I thought the elephant was super cute. I think it's better than dollar store quality. But I don't know where it's from. Next to it is this amazing little egg cup. It has a bunny. And I did a quick search and it came up as being Fenton. But I'm not sure. Look at the bunny on it. It's super cute. It would be so cute to have out for Easter. And speaking of Easter, these two. So I've sold these before. These are acrylic. They're little duck salt and pepper shakers. They're so freaking cute. Then down here is this amazing ceramic mouse with the huge ears. Back here are some redware pieces. I got this little poodle, a little dusty there. I tried to get that off just now. And then little redware deer. How appropriate that I unboxed these on the day before I'm selling with Angela. Super cute. This is absolutely precious. So I'm not quite sure who makes this. It may be Taiwan, but these are acrylic, these little mice here. And here is the pen holder there. That is wood. Is that not precious? Oh my gosh. Okay, then back here are a couple of things. Like I picked this up, William and Kate paper dolls. I thought, you know, maybe as an add-on if somebody's interested in that. Then I got this vintage mask, this New Orleans mask, just because, you know, I love masks. And oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. Look at this. I think this is Lefton. Look at this mouse. Somebody loved their mice. I don't know, 1981, not quite sure. I haven't looked it up yet. Look at it, that mouse is so freaking cute. Then this is owls. There's two on a branch and there's another one hanging upside down. And it says nobody's perfect because, I mean, nobody is perfect. And I love that. Okay, I'm gonna move some things out of the way just so I can show you some of the jewelry really fast. There's also a book back there that I'll show you too. Okay. So I made a little bit of room. I also picked up this adorable Christmas box. Obviously, it's a heart. It's these two Victorian girls. It's so cute. I love this. Sorted paper mache balls. Yeah, there's nothing in here, but the box is incredible. It's in good shape as well. So I got that. And then this is another little Christmas item. So this is called the Christmas Day Kittens. I love this author, James Herriot. He writes or wrote amazing books about animals. I won't go into it too much, but this is a vintage book. Let me put it back here. I'm not going to show you the pictures because it'll take too much time, but I will, of course, when I offer it for sale. Okay, let me move this too. All right, so I pulled these bracelets off, and again, I'm going to go really fast. Zoom in. This is a glass stretch bracelet, kind of like a brassy tone. I like this one a lot. Then this one has some really pretty enameling. This one is also a stretch. It's really well made. So all of these are in really good shape. This is all acrylic. I just thought it was cool with the turquoise and the gold. This one I think is smoky quartz. That's kind of what it looks like to me. This one I need to test. I don't know if it's sterling or not. I don't think it was marked. Gosh, nothing is focusing. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. Anyway, that's a cool bracelet. Then this one is really pretty. I love the rhinestones. And I think these are just hematite beads. It is adjustable. It's a cute one. This one is cute too. I think maybe jade on this one. And this one is adjustable. So that one's cute. Okay, again, I'm going to go fast. This necklace is absolutely beautiful. So it's mother of pearl, and then it has some amethyst beads with it as well. The mother of pearl is chips, and then the amethyst is so pretty with it. I just can't. It's beautiful. It's long. There's no clasp on this one. Yeah, it's stunning. I'll show it to you better. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So I think that's artisan made up. Some natural stone necklaces just flew off, but that's okay. This one is interesting. This one is all acrylic. So it's very lightweight, which is good for some people. This is seeds of some sort. I don't know exactly what they are. If you know, let me know. Okay, let's see what fell back here. Okay, and what fell are these chip necklaces. They're the same length. One is this beautiful amethyst, and then there's a rose quartz as well, which isn't showing up as rose quartz, but it is. Beautiful. So there are the stones. Then I got this vintage faux pearl necklace, just because I love that filigree. It's very lightweight. I wonder if this is Sarah Cub. It looks so familiar to me. Maybe it's Korea. What do y'all think? I don't see a marking. That's okay. Really pretty anyway. Then I thought these would be super fun as an add-on or something like that. These little, they are leather. It's a keychain. Super cute. Being from Texas, I gotta like that. This is so funny. So I got this in a random jewelry lot, and it's a Taylor Swift necklace. It's actually really cool. Is there any information there? No. It's got the microphone. It's got quotes on it. I do like Taylor Swift, so that was a cool thing to just find. Then this is beautiful. This is a really long black faceted glass necklace. Isn't this beautiful? And I put it up here with this gorgeous Victorian style choker. So you have a velvet choker. You have this gorgeous stone there. And it has a cross dangle that I thought was really pretty with the rose in there. Very gothic. Very fun. Okay. Again, I'm trying to go fast. So this is Peach Moonstone. Let me try to get in the light. There we go. It is on a wire chain. I did not test this, but I will. It's beautiful, and I do like it on the wire chain. So that's a cute one. This is all acrylic, which is kind of disappointing in a way, because I think it's beautiful. But yeah, I don't think this had a marking anywhere. But look, there's a lot of detail in this necklace. So it's just super surprising that it's acrylic. Oh, this is really cool. This is acrylic as well. It is this double-stranded, I don't know if these are lucite or not, but it's a chain necklace, so that's gorgeous. This is a beautiful vintage mother of pearl barrel clasp necklace. I cannot stay away from mother of pearl lately. This is a beautiful prayer necklace, and this is long. Get it in the light there. You've got all these different natural stones, and then the clear quartz. It's beautiful. I love the tassels, of course. This is amazing. So this one is made super well. You can just tell by feeling it. Look at this Indian tassel pendant. Look at the detail in the chain. Oh, it's just amazing. So love that. Then this is a set, really pretty. So you have seed beads, and then you have some AB coated. Gosh, nothing wants to focus. Guys, I hope everyone is safe from all the storms. We're okay. We didn't get hit by anything, thankfully, but I know a lot of people in Texas did. So that's the bracelet, and look at it, comes with this beautiful matching necklace. I thought that was just stunning. I love the colors in it. Then these are just some pretty little earrings that I picked up. Those might be pearl. They kind of feel like it. I love these dangle. And this is beautiful too. So this is a beautiful wrapped glass and natural stone necklace. It does not have a clasp. This one is actually really long, but it's really pretty. I just love it. And this is a vintage gold-plated leaf necklace. It's beautiful. Let's see, is there a marking on it? Trying to flip it over here. Oh, there's got to be. Actually, I don't see one. But yeah, I love the size of this leaf. It's beautiful. Just a stunner. Then I got, this is a brand I was not aware of. It's called Etika, and it comes with a pouch as well as information about the company. This is gold plated, and it's really, really cool. Trying to get the star to show here. Really nice. And it's in brand new condition. And then it came with these gold-plated earrings as well that match. So, got those. And then these are all a little bit small, but I'm going to go as fast as I can. I may be keeping her. Oops. She is a Grecian pendant. She's really pretty. I'm not sure what goddess she is, but I love her. This is sterling, and it says happy birthday. And if any of you are interested in any of these pendants, just let me know. This one is sterling as well. It is the Bill of Rights. So I thought that was really cool. That's an older one. Here is an American flag. I think this one is sterling as well. I'll have to test that. This is definitely sterling. It's a little pendant. It might be Mexico. Y'all, forgive my nails. I have a hard time, you know, cleaning and doing what I do and keeping pretty nails. I'm hoping to get a manicure tomorrow. So this is gorgeous. I was told this was hematite. I'm not 100% sure. I think it just may be glass, but it's beautiful. I love this cameo. Let me get her in the light better. There we go. Gorgeous. Then look at this. Look at this alpaca. I think, is it a pig or is it an elephant, y'all? I don't know. Is that his trunk? I think that's his trunk coming out. Here's the back. It's got a lot of patina. It is wonderful. The abalone is good on it. It is so cute. Okay, then this is beautiful. This is turquoise and coral inlay, and it's a butterfly pendant, and this is from Mexico as well. Sterling. Love it. That's very vintage. This is a gorgeous peacock. I think this is pewter. I don't think it's sterling. Wow, 1987. Yeah, it is pewter. Seagull pewter. I love this. I think it's beautiful. I love pewter. Then the very last is this. So this is sterling. These are real pearls. It's a beautiful brooch. I love it. And this one is marked sterling. Right there to your right. Gorgeous. Also vintage. And this is just the cute little paper doll book. I think I showed everything. I think. If I missed something and you're interested, let me know. Let me know what your favorite item is. I'm really tired. I know I sound out of it. So I apologize for that. But I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Bye.